Sora, Maricar is in the Philippines. Are you gonna see her? Yeah, Philippines. Maricar is in the Philippines. You can visit her.
I will do Philippines. And mommy and mama.
You wanna go to the Philippines?
No.
Why not?
And you oh, that's
How do you ask?
okay.
Oh, you wanna spray again? Okay, close your eyes. I'll spray you. Close. So they don't. The bug you doesn't see. There's a bug behind you. Close your eyes now. Close.
No,
It's, okay, you don't wanna be spray.
Okay. Okay, I've been in my food.
Yeah, Maricar is no. Buhay pa sana. Maricar, oo, nagbabalik. No, Maricar is in the Philippines. Go visit her.
I'm making food.
Okay, you make up food. Okay. What happened?
I put it on.
You trick me?
No. I put it what?
Oh, rocks.
But that's it.
Oo. Ang dami mong momo ha, Maricar. Ang dami mong baon ha. Oh, really? Wow. It's okay, you'll take a shower anyway.
Hey, Mama be in me.
Huh?
Mama be in me.
Grandma will be angry?
Yeah.
Oh, tell grandma, mama said I can.
What?
Tell grandma mommy said I can.
Baby Dicky?
I can, yeah, I can take care. I can take your shower. Magalit daw si grandma. Ano ba nangyari yan? Kausapin nyo yan, oh. Ang daming mga ibon, no? Ang ganda ng panahon. Yeah, kami-kami lang, walang tao. Ay, sino? Ay, naku, busy. Ay, mga mumo. Nandiyan nga, ang dami nga. Oo. What you guys doing? Where you guys going? Happy birthday! Okay, anong ulam, Chay? Anong ulam? Anong ulam mo? Are you taking a shower, Julie?